The answer is yes. The Horner woman child
Legal rights for children born out of wedlock explained by Kezel Jackson.
has the same rights as your child, the child born in wedlock. You're asking again? Yes, the Horner woman child has the same rights. The outside child, the illegitimate child, the bastard child has the same rights as the child born in wedlock. Now, let us discuss where this come out from and how relevant is this. So, a lady came to me. Now, the husband died and he did not leave a will. So, he died intestate. There was no will. In the cases like this, where there is no will, what will happen is that the family would apply to the High Court for a grant of letters of administration. And there are certain rules of intestacy. And what are these rules? So, if we're talking about the old legal, bastardy, discriminatory framework, it has been repealed and abolished. What is happening now? This archaic legal category of illegitimate children was dismantled by the Status of the Children Act. So children born outside of wedlock were granted the same legal inheritance right. So when you're doing probate and you're looking at the estate, we have to look at the proof of paternity. So we're looking for a birth paper or other proof of paternity. So there are certain rules of intestacy. What are those rules? You die without leaving a will. Let's say the husband died and he did not leave a will. In terms of sharing that property, there's a 50-50. 50 goes to the wife and the next 50 goes to the children. So that next 50% must be divided with all his paternal children. Not just the children born in wedlock. So you see the outside children, they have a right too. You see the Horner woman children, they have an equal right too. Yeah? You see the so-called long-term illegitimate children, they have a right too. Because that was repealed and abolished. So get your house in order, Leave a will. Message me for my next conference. That is this Saturday at the Radisson. Message me. And if you can't get a spot there, you can get a spot in the one-on-one. So we have the one-on-one and we have the conference. So if you want to come and sit down and talk and get some education, because all education, education will help you to make wise decisions. Be wise, because if not, it might cost you. I am Kezel Jackson. I am your leader. Have a great day.